few months back, I saw this Oscar-winning movie called Wings, and the camera movement in that movie blew my mind away. So I had to try this. Let me show you. Hi, my name is Nigel Vegas, and the plan is to become Goa's best directors, one of Goa's best directors. So if you like and share this video, it will help me a lot, so please do. Back to the video. So my plan is to show you the behind the scenes, how we go through some interesting shots, and there's a couple of more videos coming down this new thing that I'm trying. So please, if you follow me or subscribe, it will help a lot. Thank you. So I had to recreate this shot. When I got the chance to film Alan's song,
Tu meu tot, moje sopon pureza le. Aurazat turani mogachi.
and this is the journey that we are going to take, where I break down and show you how we achieved this. We didn't have the budget to book a big restaurant or anything like that, so we had to change the backyard, make it look jazzy, and for that we needed to go shopping. Yeah, behind the scenes. What the hell? You want to touch it? It's 100% pine.
It's timber.
And after all the shopping was done, this was the outcome. We invited a couple of friends over to give that restaurant kind of vibe, and we needed those people to act as the shot needed that.
Oh, because it's so good.
And then Alan's mom cooked some amazing snacks to create the ambience of the restaurant. Hey guys, one of our good friends called Claude helped us with the camera movement because he is quite good at that. 3, 2, 1, go. Togli sokol. And this is what it turned out.
Tu sangat moga moja devanut ke la favo tu ja oslen chiru mevo.
Thank you very much for watching this video. Hope you liked it, and see you next time.